Hi guys, so today I just created this recipe, and it is for stuffed cabbage soup. So I'll go ahead and explain how I made it, and I'll show you all I have in here. And I have 2 pots of it because it made, let me show you, 2 large pots full. So here's what I did. So here's what you'll need: 1 head of a large green cabbage, 2 cups of shredded red cabbage, 2 cups of chopped carrots, 1½ medium onions chopped, 6 fresh mushrooms chopped, 3 cups of brown rice, 1½ cups of brown lentils, 6 cloves of garlic chopped, 3 cups of celery chopped, 3/4 box of elbow macaroni, 1 can of whole sweet corn, rinsed and drained, 1 small can of tomato sauce. I use the 8 ounces, no salt, and 2 small 6-ounce cans of tomato paste. You're going to use enough water to cover your cabbage, and and then add more for the soup. So basically, here's how I did it. Oh wait, let me tell you the spices. So there's 2 tablespoons of parsley, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 bay leaves, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so here's how I made it. So first I cooked the head of cabbage. I cored it, and I was going to make stuffed cabbage, but it ended up being 90 degrees here today, so we thought, oh, instead of turning the oven on, I better do something else with it, right? So I said, okay, I already had my rice and my lentils cooking, which this is what it would look like. See, I had a little extra, which is okay because I'll use it for another recipe. But so I thought I'd turn it into soup. So I take that green cabbage and I cooked it. Now what you want to do is you're going to fill your pot with water after you core your cabbage and let that cook. Don't dump the water out, because that's going to be your broth for your soup. And then in a big large skillet, you saute all your vegetables, all the ones I listed. Saute them in water. Don't add any oil or any salt or nothing. Okay, and then once your green cabbage is cooked, you're going to just take something to chop it up with. I used a knife, but it'll be tender, so you don't have to worry. Once you get it chopped, you're going to take half a cabbage, you're going to put it in this side, and the other half you're going to put it in this pot. And then you're going to do the same thing with your vegetables. Once your vegetables are cooked, you're going to put half a vegetable on this side and half a vegetable on that side. And then you're going to add your seasonings. Now you're going to, like I said in the seasonings, how you're going to use 2 tablespoons of parsley. We're going to put 1 in this pot, 1 in that pot. All the way through. 1 tablespoon of garlic here, 1 tablespoon of garlic there, and so forth, so on. Now, you're going to go ahead and let this simmer. Once everything is combined, you're going to go ahead and let that simmer. You're going to simmer that for about a half an hour. Make sure you add in all your, your brown rice and your lentils. Here's what you should have, okay? And you're going to, cook your elbows right in that broth. So once you add the vegetables into your broth, you're just going to go ahead and add the noodles right in. And this is what it's going to look like when it's done. So you're going to have your noodles, your onions, your corn, your carrots, everything that I told you. You're going to have it all in your soup, and it's going to make a nice broth. Now this here has been sitting a little while, and it soaked up the broth, so if you need to add more broth, just go ahead and open another can of tomato paste. You can put another can of tomato paste in there, and then you can add more water. You can either use this size. If you did that, this would be for both pots, but I'll show you the one I used, and I used 2 of these. Okay, see, these are little 6-ounce cans. I used 1 in each pot, so you need 2 of these if you get the small ones. If you get the large, again, this is a 12-ounce, just split it up per pot. But what we've been doing is taking a little bit out of here and a little bit out of this one, and then you can use a little cup, like a measuring cup like this, and come down and get your broth and put it in. But I'm gonna tell you, this is really good. And if you're like me and you love cabbage rolls, stuffed cabbage rolls, and it's too hot in your area to cook, this is easy way to get it, still have it what you like, but, have it on top of the stove. I'd say by the time you cut your vegetables and cook those and everything, you're going to have a couple hours into this, 2 to 3 hours into this max. I hope you guys like this recipe. I'm sorry that I didn't show it, as I was doing it. But actually, I didn't know what I was doing when I first started out this morning. So basically, this recipe is fresh off the press, and I just wanted to share that with you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and give this recipe a try. I swear you're going to love it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Hi guys, I just want to show you. I got these big containers, and they're huge, right? That's how much soup is there. There's that one, and I'll show you the other one. And we got this whole big container. So that's how much soup this makes. Just wanted to let you see it.